So one of our very best repeat clients has a G550, just ordered another G550, and he built Rubellite Red, so this is a color I've never seen on a G-Wagon in person. Yeah, I love it.
Looks really good.
Oh yeah, it does. Rubellite, man, that's now 2 Rubellite cars that we've got in the last week that just are hot. And he did body color, painted ring, beautiful. Got diamond stitch. What is this, Catalana?
Yeah.
Catalana, boom. Love it. Love it, love it. I love that he did the body color ring on the spare tire.
You have to.
I agree. No night package. So what I love about the G550s is that when you go no night package, you get a chrome front bar. What drives me absolutely crazy about the G63 is that they do a brushed bar, which just doesn't match anything on the car. Beautiful. Let's get a little look-see. Oh yeah. Kind of like a butterscotch caramel color. Some wood trim. Got the nice manufacturer.
Do you know why he did this?
Why is that?
Remember when we first met him, his Corvette was the exact same color.
Really?
It was the ruby
like
red with this exact interior.
It's hot. Yeah. This is classy.
Trading in the Moonlight White 25.
Love it. So that's a really special car. And I'm going to see, oh yeah, let me show you up front here. This is a car that I spec'd. It's an SL63 E-Performance, which is the plug-in hybrid variant. And it's not much of a plug-in hybrid. It really doesn't operate as an all-electric car, but you're just adding more horsepower, right? So it's over 800 horsepower. Torque is just instant. And this might be one of my favorite specs that I've ever done. Joe W Auto just did a video on it the other day. So this was a bit of a risk because not a common color for any SL, let alone one that's 230 grand, but we did the Rubellite Red on this one and did a couple of unique things. So Rubellite Red on the outside, no night package, in order to get these beautiful polished wheels. It's got carbon ceramics, and fortunately the kind of yellowy orange carbon ceramic brake color I think works so well against this Rubellite paint, which is like a dark deep red. It's got a little bit of purple in it depending on the light that it's in. Just so sophisticated. Such a great color. But I also added the exterior carbon fiber package, which is totally kind of a little bit of a change up to just give it a little differentiation, add a little bit of sport to it. So you're going to have the carbon fiber down here in the diffuser area. You're going to have carbon fiber on the mirror caps, and then also carbon fiber down here in the front lower apron, right? So right at the bottom of the bumper there, also kind of in your air intakes, your air flicks, I should say. And yeah, I just think that it kind of adds a nice little touch to it. And then I don't have the key with me, but if you can see on the inside, which you probably can't, it's got a Tartufo brown interior, which is kind of like a milk chocolatey brown, not like a deep, rich saddle color, or even Catalana, which we just saw, which was more of like a butterscotch caramel. Tartufo is more of a, like it looks like, you know, Nestle Quick, if you remember that, like a you know, light chocolatey brown milk drink almost. And I think it works well with that red paint. So anyway, just a couple cool things that are here at the lot right now. Have some exciting news about some incoming inventory. We have just been selling and building up our inventory of CLE 53s, which if you watch any of my content, you know how much I love those. Here's a CLE 53 coupe in black. Here's a fun one. This is Alpine Gray with the Tartuffe, or I'm sorry, this is, what are we calling this one now? Sienna Brown on the CLE 53. Here's Another coupe. This has got the smaller wheels that come with all-season tires. Got a cabriolet there. Another Alpine coupe down there. But we just have been working super hard to get as much allocation of these as we can. You do that by selling lots and lots of cars, right? This is a turn and earn business, and so we've got plenty more of them coming. So this has easily been Mercedes' hottest car, and it's really hard to tell on the camera. This one just got here and it looks like a couple of birds had their way with it, but they're just so wide. They're so aggressive. The stance is so aggressive, and the camera takes a lot of those lines away, but in person you can really see it. And especially if you're looking at it compared to the normal CLE, but just it's so flared out, especially in the rear, and the car is just incredibly muscular. Love it, absolutely love it. And I'm happy to see the sales volumes have been really good. I think that a lot of people have been looking for an alternative to the M4 and 3, and Mercedes has given everyone a really good one.